Hello everyone. On my previous video, I discussed the importance of tenses to learn English grammar properly. And today I am going to discuss the simple present tense for beginner students. So what is simple present tense? The simple present tense is used for expressing habitual actions and general truths. Now let me give an example. Suppose if I say, I go to school every day. So what kind of sentence it is? Simple present tense. But why it is simple present tense? Because I go to school every day. It means it indicates habitual actions. It means I am used to go to school every day. I am habituated to go to school every day. Understood? Now let me give one more example. Suppose if I say the sun rises in the east. So we all know the sun rises in the east. It means it indicates eternal truth. Nobody can change the truth. Okay, it will last for a lifetime. Okay. So that's why this is simple present tense. Okay, let me give one more example. Like if I say a magnet attracts iron. So can anybody change the truth? Definitely not. Understood? So according to the rule of English grammar, there are some phrases and words will be very helpful to identify the simple present tense properly. Like usually, frequently, oftenly, sometimes, every day, every week, every morning, usually, always, and so on. Okay, and another thing is the most important we must have to know about simple present tense. That is, when the subject is third person singular number, we have to use is or es at the end of the verb. Okay, suppose if I say he goes for a walk every morning. Okay, so just listen to me very carefully. I have added es at the end of the verb. So what is the verb of this sentence? Go. So I added es at the end of the verb. So according to the rule of English grammar, when the subject is third person singular number, we must have to use is or es at the end of the verb. So here the subject is third person singular number. So what is the subject of this sentence? He. But how we can identify whether it is third person, whether the subject is third person singular number, first person or second person? Then we have to know about it. The third person means the person or people being spoken about. Understood? Suppose if I say he is coming, it means I am talking about another person. I am talking about someone. I first person, you second person, and he, she, it third person. Understood? So here the subject he is third person singular number. So he goes for a walk every morning. Okay. But why it is simple present tense? Because he goes for a walk every morning. Every morning means it indicates habitual action. He is used to goes for a walk every morning. He is habituated to goes for a walk every morning. Understood? And I hope I have made myself clear. So today's discussion is over here, and I will be back with another lessons definitely. Thank you very much.